sitting on the crapper waiting for something to happen. Nothing's gonna happen at all. Boom, boom, boom. Sitting on the crapper waiting for something to happen. But nothing's gonna happen at all. Hey, hey, hey!
Go.
Okay.
Good. Alright.
You sound really, really constipated. Okay, watch. Listen to this one.
Teared up. Oh, it smells.
Sorry.
Oh, wait, that was me. That was the pizza.
I can't believe on you. I can't believe you.
I'm tearing up.
I can do it. I can't do it.
Sound like you gotta poop really, really bad. Right. Oh, I need water sounds for that one. Sploosh. 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 Shut up, Matt. Alright, your turn. That was good.
Thank you.
Alright. Your turn. Okay, ready? Okay. Really, really close to the screen here. Okay. Here, your turn. Woo! Look, it's light. Sorry. I just realized that. I need the third book, by the way. Alright. And finale. That's all the breath I got.